Joint corrections. As I mentioned in the last lesson, the corrections are harder to recognize. The confirmation of this thesis is the presence of double and triple corrective formations. We can interpret the presence of these formations as a way to extend the flat movement along the lines of a flat correction. The designs of structures linked through the letters W, X, Y, and Z, where X is the wave of contraction and part-specific corrective formations. Wave X can take the form of any corrective formation, but it is mostly the standard zigzag formation. Elliott in the basic scheme used 2 or 3 flat corrections, but waves as a corrective structure are characterized by variability. On the topic of the characteristics of the variability will be more in the next lesson of this course. To sum up, you can often meet other variants. For example, we discussed in the previous section the triangles. The triangle may occur after the flat correction, as the last wave X in a double zigzag or triple zigzag. Elliott was also writing that complex structures may lean in the opposite direction, to the main direction. Unfortunately, I have not found anywhere the example which would have confirmed that. Elliott himself had no confirmation of his thesis, so I think that this is not a very important part which can be omitted. The introduction of such an eventuality would allow additional deviation from the strict set of rules and greater chances of misinterpretation of the market.